Hi, I'm Hee-chan Park, the software designer and the programmer of Danuri XR open source 3D engine. Today, I'm gonna start to talk about what's inside Danuri XR engine source code. I will call this series as Inside Danuri series. Today, I'm gonna open Danuri XR engine Visual Studio project solution file of source code, and I will explain one by one. There are many project files inside the Visual Studio solution. Today, I will talk about the major role and the features of each project file in the solution one by one. When you open Visual Studio solution project file, there are 10 project files as shown in Solution Explorer. The most base library on the bottom ground of the engine is code base library. It is very pure general library used for the engine and the application. It has a math library, 3D math class library like vector matrix for 3D programming and 3D functions, as you know. Also, we use our own data collection library dealing with array, list, special array classes which manage pointer instance in the array for safe and easy dynamic memory management in C++ language. And our own string class library is provided. We can manage 8-bit character string and 16-bit character string explicitly. And also we provide intern string, which features string interning. I will explain deeply about what is string interning later and why it is needed. And many our own template classes are also provided. File system management utility classes, 3D geometry utility classes, many general libraries written by our own are provided. So this is pure independent general library. Also, you can use this library source code for non-Danuri engine source code. So if you are getting familiar with this code-based library, it will be very helpful for you to develop other applications, I think. Because I use this library for other projects too. I have my own software design philosophy or direction in making project. I want to maintain my project to have low dependency to external library or external program, even if it is a standard library, for example, C++ STL. Because external project has its own version control or updating history, so while my project is going on, my project was always dependent to external project or external library. I didn't want it. So I always try to keep my project source code in very independent situation. So I and my team members coded the most of the general library by ourselves. Let me explain more about that or what are inside code base and their features later. Anyway, Danuri engine uses its own general class inside. Next, there is component-based library. Component-based library is for implementing C++ reflection system. Also, it is called property system. The reflection system make the properties of Danuri scene object visible in editor, for example. So you can make editor easily with this architecture. When scene object property changes, you don't have to update editors every time because editor can read them dynamically when every running. Component library make engine and editor interact each other. This library enables component management, which found on the most modern 3D engine. Someone calls this is component pattern, and you have to save and load data and properties into the files, and from the file, which files are scene files. So there is also implemented data serializations of common components. Next, platform library. Platform library is biggest project file in Danuri engine. It has all 3D graphics related features like rendering, 3D object implementation, scene graph structures, geometry processing code, DirectX and OpenGL device encapsulation code, many shader codes, material implementation. So all 3D graphics code are there. So platform library is 3D engine itself. If you are interested in the rendering of the engine and you want to add some new renderer into the engine, you have to dive into this library. The most frequent updating of the engine is platform library updates. Next is CLI interface library. This library enables C++ engine library can communicate with C# code. Danuri application and editor source code are written in C#. Users have to manipulate the engine by using C# language. This library is the gateway to do that. We use C++ CLI to do that. By using them, application C# managed code can call unmanaged C++ engine API. Next is Danuri editor. Danuri editor is editor source code project. It is written in C# and it is a WPF application. We don't use any other third-party UI application framework because we want to keep independency of our editor code. So the most of the UI are implemented using pure WPF UI control classes. It has no external UI library dependency. Also, there is a project called Danuri Player. It is runtime executable program and it's just a player program which runs edited scene and user game code. So it is released to end game user or content users. And there are some assistant libraries. First, there is FBX importer library. We use FBX SDK to import and parse file to our internal mesh format. Even though we don't support all features of FBX file standard, but the most of the general features of FBX are parsed well to work with, including FBX animations. Our FBX importer seems to be enough to make the most game and content, I think. There is text image library. Text image library is image file loader for texture file loading. We support the most common texture image file like JPEG, PNG, but we don't support all image formats. There are too many image types on the internet. So you have to check if your favorite image format is compatible with this engine. The engine supports video texture file like MP4 file. You can use video object in the scene. You can map the video to any object same as texture image file. You may have to install external codec program like Star Codec to use video texture feature. Also, there is small assistant program like Actor Reflect program. In the engine, there is special class called Actor class, which is similar to Mono Behavior class in Unity. This Actor Reflect program helps the editor can read user C# code member variable while editing. C# Launcher is a runtime player utility program that helps the user can apply variable option to Danuri player easily. It is just a simple program for runtime parameter management. That's all for today. Today we overviewed briefly all projects and libraries in Danuri solution file. Next time I will go deeply into each project one by one with the code review of the engine source code inside. I want to focus on the special topics and subject. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again.